Tribe. I'm Meiline and I have been in the fashion industry for over 18 years. And I also started my own brand called Dragonfly. I'm here to share with you some fun facts on fashion, fashion history, and also tips and tricks to how to start your own business in fashion. And in this sort of section, I've also started to share with you some little fun expressions, slangs, idioms that are connected to fashion somehow. So for example, today we're going to talk about fits like a glove. But before we do that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anybody who you think might enjoy. Alrighty, so in the 16th century, gloves were a common accessory for both men and women. However, apparently the origin of this expression came around the 18th century and literally referred to just gloves. This idiom is based on the strict need for a glove to fit the hand perfectly. But let's look at why this was. We can say that it refers back to the time of dress etiquette for riding horses. Riding gloves were a must at the time. A novice rider was always warned to buy tight or snug fitting gloves to avoid the unfortunate case of you losing control of your horse by your gloves pulling off, which could lead to a likely accident. Gloves were considered appropriate and a good fit when they were nice and tight, but still fit in all the right places. Today we can use this expression for multiple situations, such as from other forms of apparel to a person, a relationship, a position at work, and so on. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed that. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with anybody who you think might enjoy it. And don't forget to leave me any comments down below. I would be very happy to receive them. Have a good one and see you next time.